Hi friends, in today's video we are gonna be seeing on how to make a child account in Google. So let's get started. So first here over here I have logged in, opened google.com. So then I click sign in. So over here I click create account and then for my child we'll click here. So then it will show this over here. Then we'll click yes continue. So then we'll enter the child's name. So then the birth date. So now gender. So over here we'll choose the email address. Now we'll select a password. Now we will send a verification code. So it has sent it. I have received it. So over here we will have to put in parent mobile number. So over here we'll have to read through this. It's about details over here. There are questions about Google Assistants, etc. Then we can also set up family Google Family Link. So here we can set screen limit via the phone itself. So we can remotely control amount of screen time and all this privacy, contact us, etc. Then we have to check these two boxes. Then we have to click I agree. So here this is for whichever account this parent mobile number is linked to. So we'll have to enter the password for that account. Then it will send a verification code. So over here it says more info over here. Whatever we can do until the child turns 13 years old or the age in the country that you live in. And the child has to decide to manage the account on his own. So until then, we can do things like update the child account info and some settings like his name and birthday. We can delete his account for delete his account and recover it for a limited period of time after you delete it. Then manage his activity controls. And we'll click next over here. So here we'll receive an email address up for with more information. Okay, so we have signed into the child account over here, as we can see. So friends, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. So here we can see that we have done it. It says your parent is helping you manage some of your settings. We can add safety security info in the same way I have mentioned in one of my previous videos. Here there are family sharing, delete Google service, etc. Here we can change everything here. This is Air Learning Station. My name is Alvin, and this is me signing up.